The reality that you are experiencing right now is just a result of your imagination. You imagine all day, even when you are doing your work or making a cup of coffee, your attention is always on something. You are imagining different outcomes. You are imagining different things. The majority of the time, you do it unconsciously. Therefore, you are always manifesting everything that you are experiencing in your reality. You do it effortlessly every day. When you understand what I am about to tell you, you will realize that you can manifest anything effortlessly and easily. It would be eye-opening for those who are new to manifesting and haven't manifested anything consciously. So, without further ado, let us understand some principles that Neville Goddard introduced in his lectures and books. Neville says that God and human imagination are one, and the reality we are experiencing is just the physical manifestation of our own consciousness. Everything around us, be it positive or negative, is all the result of what is going on in our consciousness. Every human being has the ability to use their imagination, either consciously or unconsciously. It is like breathing. This process is happening unconsciously, but you can also do it consciously. Once you understand that imagination happens just like breathing, you will know the act of creation. You will know why I told you that manifestation is effortless. You will know how you are manifesting every moment. As Neville told you, you should not believe in God but rather in yourself. And he always says that God is our own wonderful human imagination. Imagination creates, maintains, and destroys. Therefore, whatever you are imagining and agreeing to is manifesting in your reality. Manifestation is a technology that has been in use since ancient times. Neville Goddard is only saying to use your imagination and think from the perspective of having your desire. By doing so, you are creating the reality you want. But how is it an effortless activity? Well, if you watch your thoughts closely, I am telling you to watch them, observe them, and not change them. If you watch them, you will notice that you are always thinking from a state of being. If you are thinking thoughts of revenge, anger, or hatred, you are thinking from the perspective of being a victim. Like this, the nature of your thoughts is determined by your state of being. Suppose your state of being is that of a person who is wealthy, then your thoughts would be from the perspective of a person who is wealthy. You are also imagining unconsciously from your state of being. A person who is in a state of heartbreak naturally thinks and imagines unlovely things. On the other hand, a person who is in a state of love thinks he can make the impossible possible. So, if you ever read about Neville Goddard, he is the advocate of imagination creating reality, and you are imagining from your current state of being. So, you are always manifesting unconsciously from your state of being or from your current self-concepts. The concepts that you hold true about yourself are always manifesting in your reality effortlessly and easily. Now, in a day, you move between different states of being. At one moment, you are happy, at another, you are angry, at yet another, you are motivated. Now what decides what you manifest? Well, the state you return to the most determines it. Or, as you can say, your dominant state determines what you will manifest in your reality. You even heard this state referred to as your dwelling state, which is simply the state that you are in for the majority of the day. Your state can switch from time to time, but the one you return to the most is what determines your reality. Therefore, persistence in the new state is necessary to bring about changes in your reality. Being persistent in your desired state of being changes your dominant state or your dwelling state, which changes what you manifest in your reality. So, you are manifesting every moment. You are doing it effortlessly and easily. All you have to do is change the state of being. How you can do it? Well, it is simple. If your state of being results in some thoughts and imagination, then your thoughts and imagination also contribute to your state of being. It also works vice versa. If you imagine your desire as already being fulfilled multiple times a day, you are getting into the new state of being multiple times a day. When you are in that new state of being multiple times a day, you are changing your dominant state of being, which will result in your physical manifestation. It is not about changing the outer world but the inner one. You can always change your state of being. You can do it by choice. Life has given you countless choices. You can either choose to be in a joyful state or a miserable state. It is all a matter of choice. So, whenever you manifest something, it is essential for you to choose your state of being at every moment. As you do it, you change your habitual state, and it becomes a natural process. When you assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, it is with a minimum of effort. You must control the direction of the movements of your attention, but you must do it with the least amount of effort. If there is effort in the control and you are compelling it in a certain way, you are not going to get the results. The event must always imply the fulfillment of the wish. Always construct an event that you believe you would naturally encounter following the fulfillment of your desire. You are the judge of what event you really want to realize. So, I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.